In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on the Crypto.com app, providing a step-by-step trading tutorial perfect for beginners. We'll walk through the essential steps you need to confidently start trading on this popular platform. Let's get started. To kick things off, open your browser and head over to the Crypto.com homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the login section. If you're an existing user, simply input your credentials to access your account. For those who are new, you'll need to create an account by providing your necessary personal details. After logging in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your trading activities. Now take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a wallet icon, and your next step is to click on it. The wallet acts as your virtual purse, storing your digital currencies and assets. This is where you manage your finances on the platform and an integral part of your trading journey. With your dashboard open, direct your attention to the trade option available. Clicking on this takes you into the trading section of the app. It's a space designed for buying, selling, or exchanging cryptocurrencies. For novices, the interface might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, you'll find it user-friendly after a bit of exploration. Next, it's time to select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Crypto.com offers a wide array of digital currencies, so take a moment to determine which one suits your investment goals. Whether you're going with popular options like Bitcoin or Ethereum or exploring others, this decision will guide your currency dealing process. Once you've made your selection, you need to specify the amount. Carefully consider how much you're comfortable trading. It's always wise to start with small amounts as you get familiarized with trading dynamics. Take your time entering the correct amount to avoid any potential mishaps or errors in your transaction process. The final step is to press the buy or trade button. However, before you can complete your transaction, you must ensure your bank account is linked to your Crypto.com account. This is crucial as it allows you to fund your trades and eventually withdraw your earnings. Setting up this connection might involve following a few verification steps, so be sure to have your banking information handy. That's it, you're now ready to embark on your cryptocurrency trading journey with Crypto.com. Remember, practice and patience are key as you develop your trading skills. As you grow more confident, explore more advanced features and strategies, but always trade responsibly. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.